Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Radiator Genie is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for anyone serious about maintaining their vehicle's performance, especially when tackling stubborn debris and grime that can accumulate in radiators and condensers, ensuring optimal cooling efficiency and preventing costly engine damage, making it a must-have for DIY mechanics and professional technicians alike. Number 5. Genie 7155 TKV StealthDrive Connect Smart Garage Door Opener. Meet the ultimate smart garage door opener. It combines powerful performance with cutting-edge technology, making your daily routine smoother and more secure. This device effortlessly integrates with your favorite smart home systems. Connected with Alexa, Google Assistant, SmartThings, and even Amazon Key for a truly connected experience. With integrated Aladdin Connect technology, you can monitor and control your garage door remotely. Open or close it from anywhere using the convenient Aladdin Connect app on your smartphone. Experience peace and quiet with its ultra-quiet belt drive system. Featuring a 1.25 HPC DC motor, it's perfect for garages attached to living spaces, ensuring minimal disturbance. Power outages are no longer a problem. This opener includes an integrated battery backup, ensuring you always have access to your garage, even when the electricity is out. Installation is made easy with compatibility for the BLT app, offering interactive 3D instructions. Its lightweight design also simplifies the setup process for residential use. It's designed for sectional garage doors up to 7 feet high and 500 pounds. An extension kit is available separately for 8-foot doors, ensuring broad compatibility. What we like. This opener integrates seamlessly with popular smart home systems, offering unparalleled convenience. Its remote access feature allows you to monitor and control your garage from anywhere. If you are looking for a modern, quiet, and connected garage solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. RV Water Heater Flush Wand. Keep your RV adventures smooth and comfortable with clean hot water. Over time, sediment and scale can build up in your water heater, reducing its efficiency. This essential tool helps you maintain it effortlessly. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this flush wand is designed for longevity. Its rubberized, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, season after season. It's resistant to both cold and heat, guaranteeing reliable performance. Experience superior cleaning with its innovative design. This wand sprays not only forward but also to both sides, effectively tackling stubborn scale and anode pieces. It ensures a thorough clean every time you use it. Achieve comprehensive cleaning with its 360-degree rotating spray. Simply remove the nozzle, and it sprays in all directions, reaching every hidden corner of your tank. The integrated garden hose swivel makes maneuvering a breeze. Connecting this tool is incredibly easy. It comes with both a 1-2 quick connect adapter and a 3-4 garden hose adapter. You can attach it directly to your garden hose in moments, making setup and use straightforward. We are confident in the quality and performance of this RV water heater flush wand. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This rinser features a robust metal tube and an innovative design that sprays in multiple directions. Its 360-degree rotating spray effectively removes scale and sediment from your RV water heater. If you own an RV and want to ensure thorough and efficient cleaning of your water tank, this tool is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 3. Radiator Genie Cleaning Wands Kit. This versatile tool makes cleaning all your equipment, filters, and dirty items incredibly fast and easy. It simplifies maintenance, saving you valuable time and effort. Its patented fan head design significantly increases both pressure and working width. This ensures maximum cleaning efficiency, tackling even stubborn dirt with ease. Featuring a specially sized tube, it effortlessly accesses confined and hard-to-reach areas. No more struggling to clean those hidden spots, this tool gets everywhere. The included air wand is perfect for powerfully blowing away loose debris. It quickly clears dust, dirt, and other particles, leaving surfaces clean. Use the water wand to effectively wash away stubborn grime and caked-on dirt. It provides a thorough rinse, ensuring your equipment is spotless. By consistently keeping your equipment clean and ensuring it runs cool, it significantly extends its operational lifespan. This investment protects your valuable machinery. With efficient cleaning, you'll experience less downtime for maintenance. This means more productive hours running your machines, boosting overall efficiency. What we like. This kit provides both water and air wands, making it versatile for various cleaning tasks. Its patented fan head increases pressure and working width for maximum cleaning efficiency. If you need a comprehensive solution for fast and easy cleaning of high-efficiency cooling systems and filters, this kit is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Lisle 88500 Radiator Genie Cleaning Wands. Maintaining your high-efficiency cooling systems and radiators is crucial for machine performance. This tool offers a powerful solution for keeping them clean and operational. Designed for water and air cleaning, it's incredibly versatile. You can use it on a variety of machines, especially those operating in dirty outdoor environments, to minimize downtime. Tired of struggling with inaccessible spots? This wand reaches where others can't, ensuring a thorough clean for radiators and other confined spaces. It features fast, easy adjustable pressure cleaning. Its patented fan head significantly increases both pressure and working width, making your cleaning tasks more efficient. With its specially sized tube, it effortlessly accesses even the most confined areas. This ensures no spot is missed, providing a complete clean. The interchangeable air fitting comes with an M-style connector, but it's adaptable. You can easily use it with any other style of air fitting you prefer. By consistently keeping your equipment clean and running cool, this tool helps extend its overall lifespan. Invest in its longevity and reduce future maintenance costs. What we like. This tool offers both water and air cleaning wands, specifically designed to reach hard-to-access areas. Its adjustable pressure cleaning allows for precise control over the cleaning process. If you operate various machines in dirty environments and need to clean where nothing else can, this versatile genie will extend your equipment's life. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to enable extraction of helpful points. Number 1. IPA 8052 Air Comb, 36-inch. Introducing the IPA 8052 Air Comb, a revolutionary tool for focused cleaning. It delivers a high-pressure output with 5 times the air volume of standard tools. This innovative device features a long-reach 90-degree airflow. Its unique design allows it to access even the most challenging and hard-to-reach areas. It's perfect for cleaning all types of air filters, radiators, and condensers. Using it helps extend the life of your filters without causing any damage or punching holes. This tool ensures a thorough yet gentle cleaning process. It's designed to be effective on delicate components, preserving their integrity. This product is available in various sizes to suit your specific needs. You can choose from 12, 24, 36, or 48-inch models. What we like. This air comb delivers a focused, high-pressure output with 5 times the air volume of standard tools. Its long 90-degree airflow allows access to deeply recessed areas. If you are looking for powerful, precise cleaning for all air filters, radiators, and condensers without causing damage, this innovative tool is your best bet. What people say. No suitable positive reviews with product details were found in the provided empty source content. Please provide actual review content to extract relevant points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.